Up at 6, though, high winds and snow knocking out power to thousands of people in West Michigan.
You can see from this map that the majority of the outages are in Berry County, where about 8,000 are without power. The number of outages in Kent County, now more than 6,000.
The system is still causing a rain and wintry mix to fall in some of West Michigan. And Storm Team 8 is here tracking all of it and the warm weekend that it's expected to follow. So let's start along the lakeshore. Meteorologist Ellen Bacca is showing us the massive waves this wind is churning up.
You know, guys, we're sitting by the channel here in South Haven by the lighthouse, and we're still getting splashed with water. The waves are so intense that the wind is carrying them up over the channel barrier and actually carrying sand into the parking lot. Right now, we have winds sustained out of the north-northwest at about 30 miles per hour. And because we have that sustained wind and because it's traveling down the entire length of Lake Michigan before slamming into Van Buren County and Berrien County, it's giving us really massive waves. Here we have 8-foot waves colliding. It's very tumultuous out on Lake Michigan itself. We've got that spray launching a good 30 feet into the air, but those waves were even bigger just to the south of this in Berrien County and St. Joseph. Here's what it looked like there. It was so difficult to get video that one of our phenomenal photographers had to run out, get the video for 2 minutes, and come back because his camera lens was just coated in water. Some of the waves there as big as 14 feet colliding into the lakeshore. Now, luckily, as we go through the next 24 hours here, the storm is going to track off to the east. We're going to start to see that wind die down, and the action here at the lakeshore is also going to start to die down right in time for a gorgeous weekend. Bill and Kyle will be back to tell you more about that weather for the weekend. For now, out at South Haven, Ellen Bacca, 24 Hour News 8.